Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install an expert advisor on Metatrader 4. First, download your expert advisor file and then save it in a folder for easy access. The file can be in exa4 or mk4 format. The mk4 is the source file and exa4 is the compiled version. Metatrader 4 will automatically convert mk4 to ex4 when needed. Now open Metatrader 4 and make sure auto trading is enabled. Next, go to the top menu, click on File, and then click Open Data folder. In the folder, open mkl4. Then go to the Exports folder. Now copy and paste your Expert Advisor file into this folder. After that, close and restart Metatrader 4. Once the platform restarts, go to the navigator window. You will see your expert advisor listed there. Now drag the expert advisor onto your chart. A setting window will appear. Go to the input tab and adjust the setting if needed. If it is paid expert advisor, you may need to enter a license key. Once you are done, click OK. You will now see the expert advisor name on the chart, usually at the top right, which means it is active. If you want to remove the expert advisor, right click on the chart, go to expert advisor and click remove. And there is it. You have successfully installed an expert advisor on Metatrader 4. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.